Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to Sunborn Creations. I hope you guys had a wonderful eventful day today. And thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. And come on in. You are welcome always. I am the creative force behind Sunborn Creations. Okay, so what I'm doing tonight is I got these big beads from Hobby Lobby. I got about 5 different colors here. I got these also. These are the bigger hole beads, I guess, that you use for making these keychains or these key forks. I was on TikTok and I ordered something off TikTok and they like, well, you only like $4 or $5 from receiving free shipping. So, whatever. So I'm like, well, what can I get? So anyway, I grabbed these keychains. And actually, I guess I didn't read it well because I thought they were decorated keychains already. But they're not. So they're just keychains that you have to put your own beads on. And let's see how many came in this pack. I didn't count, and I didn't go back on TikTok to look and see. And of course, you never have instructions, directions. These days, for hardly anything that you get. So I'm going to take a stab and say maybe like 25 to 30. So what I am doing is putting beads on these keychains. Now this isn't something that I really aspire to doing, but I'm trying to find other things, other pieces to sell at the market when I go. So basically that's what I've been doing, trying to get some good ideas on how to, when you're at the market, how to sell some things and, you know, what might sell and what may not sell. Now, I haven't went and checked out any of the places yet, but maybe I'll go Saturday and, or Saturday and see what people are selling out there. That's what I like to do. I like to go around and see what's being sold. You know, see what the competition looks like. And to kind of get an idea as to which direction I want to take mine. So, now let me tell you this. This is what it looks like. All you do is take it out the bag and screw the ball off. And you have to be careful because guess what I did? I actually stripped. I'm going to put these little seals on. One. And I got that one laying to the side, but I'm not going to throw it away. I'm just going to have to glue the top back on it or find another top that'll work on it. But if it's stripped, I might just have to glue it on. So I'm not in any form or order am I spending a lot of time on these on this project. Like, that's pretty. And I'm not buying any extra beads or anything. I'm just going to use the beads that I got to see how to, figure this thing out and make it pop. So what I do is you just add your bead on. So I don't know what match and what don't match. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm just putting beads here. Now these are some of the ink pens that I did a couple of months back. See, that's kind of bland. I like the sparkle for some reason. So let's see what we're doing. See, like that, I kind of like that. I don't too much like the wood. So I'll show you a few of them that I've done okay. But anyway, guys, thank you for coming back to the channel. So, like I said, I'm not in any shape or, form or order anything. I'm just throwing these things, on here. So I'm going to put this pink butterfly. Since it seemed, to be going in that direction. Yeah, I just do it this way. And all you do is take your, the ball has a little, like a 1/2 millimeter, and you just screw it on. Just like that. Tightly. See, and let me show you something else. Like on some of them, like this is the forest this is going. So I'm going to have to find another piece. Let's see, can I get it down? Because I don't want to strip it. So I have to find, see that space? I got to find another connection, another little bead or something to put in there so it'll fit up like that. And that'll be cute. Let me show you. I got a black bead here. If I could find a small, let's see if this black bead will carry it out. See, that's not going to do it. So I just put it back on there and figure it out another way. Because I really don't have another bead that I could put there. Oh man, I might have one that I could put there. This is one of my bead, resin bead. And see, it's too big. Let's see, I got a smaller one. Let's see if I could, nope, that's not fitting either, but anyway. Let's see, this is a wooden. Nope. Well, I'll figure out something. But I'll show you a couple of my ink pens. Like I said, I'm not buying any more beads to finish this project out. And some of the beads are actually beautiful. So, keychain. And I'll show you some of my keychains that I've made so far. This is cute. I got that one. So we're going to see how, interesting these will be. At my booth, this, whenever it warms up. But so far they're looking pretty decent. Sorry about that noise in the background. With the kids out there playing. Well, I'll say children. I don't like to say kids because a kid is nothing but a goat. I have to use the right terminology when I can. So isn't that cute? Spacer beads. That's what I meant to say. I would have to find a nice spacer bead. And that's a cute one too. Also. And this, I did like that color right there. It's cute. And that's nice too. See, that one kind of blingy. So these are some of the key chains that I've managed to hook together. And they look pretty decent, to be honest with you. Now I just got to figure out a price point to see, what I paid, put into it, which really wasn't, a lot. And let's see if we're going to do one more because we're only like 9 minutes in here. And then I'm going to show you some of my ink pens. Like I bought these on a whim, to be honest with you guys. Yeah, and I bought something off TikTok that really wasn't legit, and it's kind of pissed me off because TikTok got, what do you call it? People on there selling you products that they have copied from other people. And they're charging a lesser price, but you have to really be careful with the logos on those products that you get. because some of them are not authentic. And I bought something that wasn't authentic. And yeah, that pissed me off, I have to be honest with you. So now I got to figure out how can I get my money back. So we're just gonna try the white one. It's not really pearl. We're gonna do the white. We're gonna hook up. I got a lot of yellow over there. I want to do some red. I don't like that. See, that's what you have to do. You just, have to play around with these. See, if I did that, I would go back and put the bigger one. I always put the bigger one on the bottom, guys. Let's see if it's yellow. Yeah, I might go with that. And you know what I'm going to do? Let me see if I can mix this. A little star in there. I don't have, I'm going to take the pink star out. I'm going to put in a little orange star. Yeah, we'll just, figure that. I'm just showing you. And these blue beads are fabulous. I love these beads. So I hope you guys are doing pretty decent tonight. Doing good. I hope you're doing good. And we're going to try that. That really combination there is all over the place. So let's see, how can I do that? I'm going to take this off. And okay, here's this orange bead. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to put that on top. A whole bag of the orange bead. And guess what? I have no idea where it's located. I'm like, where are these beads? The big beads. I got them from Hobby Lobby. They gorgeous too. It's that type of orange bead. Bag of them. And I'm like, where are they? I found every other bag except for that bag. We're going to try this. Yeah, I don't like that coming. But we're going to try it. See, I'm going to see if I could get that top on that. And they're real simple to do. But they're awesome projects. Something, to add to your booth area. And like I say, don't do them too tight because you will. People can, interchange their own beads also. So that's cute. I like that. But let me show you some of my pins. Now, some of these pins are like stripped. I'm like, are they supposed to be this way? They won't. So I got to go back and work on some of them. But this is the orange one. And I got it in the, this is more like a golden and cream tiger print, which I think is cute. And I did one, this is like a red burgundy with that blue, with the little glass bead on top, which I think is cute. And this one to me reminds me of Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Yeah, I like that together. And that's what this one, reminds me of. And the pink. See, this one is like it's stripped. I got to go back and figure out what's going on with it. And this one is something I was playing around with the red, green, just doing something a little bit different. And I love this one. The blues and the white. Now, I had 2 different shades of pink. I had 2 more. And I was going to give them to my daughter and my granddaughter. And guess what, y'all? They like disappeared on me. I don't know where in the world, what happened to them. So this is what I'm doing tonight. Just sitting here playing around with these ink pens. And these key fogs. Isn't that cute? This one nice too. I don't know where I got that bead from, but it's a nice bead. And like I say, they probably, you know, this is working with what I got. This is like the gray, and I just did the blues and the different shades of blue with it. And this one I used some of my beads, some of my good Italian gold beads. That's what this is. And I like that one. That's nice. And we're going to do the golden rod. That's pretty too. But I didn't hang any charms or anything off them because now on these, that maybe you could do that. But with these, and you're trying to hang some charms, and this is like a key ring, unless you use split rings, those charms aren't going to do any good. They're going to fall off. Unless you use split rings. That would be a waste of time if you did. Like I said, I don't know what's going on with this one. And this one, the same thing. It's like something is missing with this one, but I have to figure those out. But anyway, guys, thank you for coming on this tour with me. But these are lovely, though, aren't they? Okay, so I'm going to show you, put this up there, and we're going to grab some of these so you could see. They cute, they nice. But anyway, and this gold tone looks pretty decent too. Looks like a pretty strong gold tone where it's not going to turn very quickly. But anyway, guys, thank you for coming to Sunbun Creations, and I'll catch you in the next one.